Jeremy Jackson with Stonegate Realty here. I want to show off my new listing. This is 295 D.E. Brown Road in Brandenburg, Kentucky. Beautiful house, beautiful lot, nice green grass, mature landscape. Got an apple tree that's in full bloom over there right now. Just show you around the outside real fast. One car attached garage, and then you got another workshop out here that has I would say 3, potentially 4 bays, and then also a carport. Well manicured landscape. Nice place to sit on the covered deck. Got a fire pit area with a built-in barbecue. There's another outbuilding over there. Be good to store lawn equipment and garden tools. We'll go inside, check it out. This house is priced at $389,900. This is the door from the garage. Goes into a really big laundry room. Washer and dryer stay. And then there's hookups for a utility sink over here. And it goes into the kitchen. All appliances stay. Got a breakfast bar attached to the kitchen, and then an open dining and living room area. Propane fireplace. This goes into the master. It's got a really neat built-in desk in the corner here. Walk-in closet for the master. Here's the bath attached to the master. You can also get to this bath from the common areas. We'll take a look upstairs. So the master's downstairs, and then you have 2 bedrooms upstairs with another bath. Beautiful landing at the top of the stairwell here. Good sized closets in both of these bedrooms. And we'll go into the 3rd bedroom. Another good sized closet in here. And the 2nd bath that's upstairs. Got a closet in here as well. And we'll go check out the basement. This house is approximately 2,300 square foot of finished space. Really neat stairwell leading to the basement. And then you've got a section down here that's approximately 500 square foot that's finished. Really nice area. It could be a rec room, man cave, family room. There's a lot of opportunities for this room here. There's a safe down here that does stay with the property. And then this is a walkout basement. Sun's washing me out there. Looks like you could use that as a bar or a desk, countertop, built-in shelving, and another gas fireplace. And the rest of the basement is unfinished for storage or whatever you'd like to use it for. And also where the utilities are. All right, again, this is 295 D.E. Brown Road. Really nice rural setting on just a little over 4 acres. But it's literally about 5 minutes from Kroger and all your amenities here in Brandenburg. Let me know if you'd like to see it, or if you know someone else in the market for a house. I would be grateful to be able to help them. Give me a call, 270-681-8142. Have a good day.